This is the new MIDAS Restore material that SprintRay has been secretly developing for the past several years, and I'm finally able to show you guys my workflows with it. The first thing that I like to do is air dry the material off of the veneers. I'm using ultra high powered air on a wolf box that I got off of Amazon, and this material is over 75% zirconia. So what you're going to notice is that they just peel right off the build plate and there's no bumps or anything remaining. That's because they developed special support structures that are easy to clean and remove. Now I like to use about a 70% alcohol solution, not super strong, and keeping it kind of mild and not making the alcohol contact any one veneer for over 30 seconds. After we remove the residual material from inside and outside the veneer, we'll go ahead and use a micro brush just to make sure that the intaglio surface is super clean. And then I'm going to go ahead and air dry. Once the veneer is ultra dry, I'm going to go ahead and place it in the nano cure for a 4-minute cure cycle. That's right, it's just a 4-minute cycle. And this is the way they come out. And once we get them out of the curing unit, we're going to go ahead and do a dual phase polishing. The first thing that we're going to use is the Annex Glossy Gummy, followed by this Meisinger Twist polish. So here's the Annex Glossy Gummy Ultra Fine. And what that does is it removes the print lines, and it also helps establish the baseline polish of the material. And within a few seconds, you're going to see that this is already starting to get super shiny. Then I pop in my Meisinger Beige Twist. This is an incredible polishing unit that's going to bring this to a glass-like finish. This surface finish will rival that of any polished ceramic, and what's really cool is we've been testing it for 2 years, and it holds that shine clinically remarkably well. Even the alcohol wipe here and drying it, showing you that it is a true polish versus a false polish. This is an incredible material. So again, Glossy Gummy Ultra Fine, really quick, and then we're going to go ahead and hit it with the Meisinger Twist Beige, and it's going to start to look like glass. And you know what? I've tested almost every single composite polisher on the market on these things, and they all work incredibly well. There's no special pastes or anything that you need. So here we are dry trying them in. They fit incredibly well. This is a money shot artistic style to show you guys the translucency, and then this is incredible. This is after delivery a few weeks later. We could see the tissue healing and how beautiful these veneers look at a macro level. This is going to fundamentally change what you thought was possible with 3D printing. So I think that if you've been on the fence, I think now's the time to really dive into this technology.